Is the budget realistic? It's food, we have to live, but listen, groceries is a little bit much, okay? Hey loves, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot little minute, but you know what? Today your girl has time. I have time for a video, so let's just jump right into it. All right, y'all, so it's been a hot little minute since I have made a video, but you know what? Life sometimes just, life is lifing. Life just be lifing. But today I went grocery shopping and I've been a little floored with the price of groceries, the cost of living, and just everything. And, you know, try to keep my money in control and stretching the dollar like our parents and their parents did before, right? I think I did very good, and I've been working diligently to just get this thing called groceries under wrap. Okay, before I wanted to stay within like the $400 or $500 bracket, but with my family size that's a little bit unrealistic. So I think those are some of the things we need to take into consideration when we're doing grocery shopping. Like, is the budget realistic? And if not, let's just adjust accordingly. This is pretty much everything that I got. And I think I got a pretty good deal. Mind you, there isn't really much protein going on here. Like, not in terms of meat protein, but I think I did pretty good. What I've been doing is going to the grocery store twice a month, every other week. And I think that has helped a lot. Before, what I was trying to do was do one big grocery shopping and get so frustrated that things were not lasting. And I'm like, that's not realistic. So that ties into my other point of just being realistic with the budget and having an understanding that it's food, we have to live. It's a part of the ordained law given by God, right? With food, shelter, and raiment, be he content. We can't really be upset that much. Not really. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a head start. Try to guess. This is pretty much an overview of what I purchased. Try to guess how much everything cost. Mind you, there were a lot of sales, so yeah. In no particular order, pretty much everything was on the list. There are a few items that were not, but we're not going to talk about it. We have to live. All right, let's start over here. First things first, pretty much all of these items were on like a boho price. This is a 10-pound bag of onion for $2.77. The potatoes, how many kilos? 4.54, so 10 pounds, another 10-pound bag of potatoes. These were another $2.77. There were white potatoes. I prefer yellow potatoes, but you know what? It is what it is. A sale is a sale. So this will last a lot, and you could do so much things with potatoes. It's so surreal. I got this big bag of beets. They are 10 pounds as well, so they were also $2.77. And I'll just kind of bubble around here so you guys could see. Another 10-pound bag. Carrots, $2.77. That was the deal. I am going to make some beet and carrot juice. There's a pineapple somewhere in the mix, and cucumbers, and I did buy some ginger, so this will be a nice little drink. And ladies, a little hack, especially after your menstrual cycle, this with this, chef's kiss, really good. It's part of a healthy habit of mine. I got these yogurt drinkables from Costco. So anyways, before I get really into it, I went to two stores. I went to No-frills and I went to Costco. Those were the two stores that I limited myself to so that I could keep things under wrap. These are a staple. My children love these pizza pops for snack, as well as to just grab one for lunch or whatever. So this one is for my little guy. He likes to drink his yogurt, though he does like a yogurt bowl. I got these. Some other lunchbox item, these little mini golden Oreos. I feel like my kids are a little bit over the chocolate ones. I got this, a pack of chewable bars, chewy Quaker bar. Just trying out new little snack items. I got these keto wraps. And I got some bear paws, and I love brownies, so it says no artificial flavor, no color, all of that. We don't know if it's true. I did go ahead and get a pack of the chocolate Oreos, even though my kids are kind of over it, but you know, still got it. I like them. I got a bag of apples. These are from Costco. Yeah, the apples are from Costco. I got some green bell peppers, and what I like to do with my bell peppers, I like to cut them up in kind of, I guess, a meal prep type of thing. Some raspberries spill on here, and over here too, I got a honeydew. I think it was like $2.99 or something. Then I got a red onion, some plantain because it's the weekend and I want to make some eggs and plantain because it's very Caribbean of me. And then this is the pineapple that I was talking to you guys about that I'm going to pair with my beets over there and make like a nice little juice for myself. I got a lettuce to do some sandwich for the week. The ginger that I plan to use in my juice mix, but I forgot to get lemon, which kind of sucks, but that's neither here nor there. Hopefully I could do without the lemon or just run to the store and grab some lemon. I got 3 kiwis because they're good for you, and a squash, 2 bunch of bananas from Costco because Costco has the best price for banana. I also got these cucumbers from Costco. Costco also has a good price on cucumbers. These clementine, my kids love snacking on them. Berries, got these. And then I got some raspberries. So I got raspberries and blueberries, and a lot of the raspberries kind of got dumped out in the bag. Whew, a little bit upset about it, but tis what it is. I got some grapes from Costco. These were $8.99. I think they're worth it. I'm not sure. I love it. My kids love it, and don't know what else to say. Okay, moving on. I got 1 random can of chickpea because I got these this 3-bean salad from Costco, and I just want to add this to kind of beef it up a little bit, you know, because slight big back of mine, but it's a healthy big back type of thing, right? I got some sour cream. These were on sale. I forgot how much, but they were on sale. The eggs were also on sale for like 5 something. So I got 2 cartons of egg, 18 inside each carton. Some pasta sauce. This, I believe, was $9.99 from Costco. I got the mayonnaise. Didn't really need it, but it was on sale, so I like to plan ahead, and that's what I did. Got these premium crackers. They are good for just a light snack. This was not a planned purchase, but I've been searching for a butter container, and I picked this up at No-frills, by the way. Their home section, no word of a lie, is the cutest. You should definitely check it out. This was, I believe, $9.99 or $9 flat, and I think it's worth it. Super aesthetic. I picked these up also, just some cute little snack containers for the kiddos. I went into the home section initially because I saw this in the flyer and it was for $4, and I'm like, you know what? I've been wanting some berry pint containers. I've been looking around on Amazon and it's super overpriced. So these were just $4. It's huge. So this is a pint, and love the color. It's a nice kind of a green, pastel-y green. They did have the white one, exact same, but it was for $6. I picked up this big thing of Sunlight laundry detergent because it was on sale for $17. The one that I originally get is the Costco brand, and it's for 21 something. So this was just, I tend to buy these if they're on sale. By the time I have looked at things, I have like a huge stockpile, and I will have soap for the whole entire year to wash my clothes without even thinking about it too much. Showed you these crackers. Also got these fishies. They are the single pack one or the individually packaged one, and I think those are just a nice little snack. doubling back, I picked up this bag of shredded cheese. It was on sale, I believe $4, so why not? Normally I like to shred my own cheese, but this time around I was like, you know what, it's already done, it's $4, let's not overcomplicate things. Picked up some tuna. I believe I have 6 of these. These are quick for making sandwiches or for whatever. They're just quick, simple, and I guess this was a protein that I got. And I also picked up some oven roast turkey. These are like, I guess a sleeve of 3. And I like these quick, nice sandwich ideas. What I do is I open one sleeve, put it in the refrigerator, and then the other 2 I will put in the freezer and then just kind of grab as I need. Picked up some sliced cheese. One, it was on sale, and why not? Usually I believe it's $15, and today it was, I think, 12. Not sure. A lot of butternut squash. I think I showed you guys that. Lettuce for the sandwich. Some tzatziki sauce because my kids like it. What else did I get? Some butter. I picked these up from No-frills. Normally I get them from Costco, but today No-frills had them at a better price. I believe 4 something. Usually Costco regular price is 5. On a regular day, I will buy them from Costco because it's a better price. But today, No-frills had it on sale, so I got them from No-frills. And I like to get the salted one because it lasts a little bit longer. Not gonna cook today, so I picked up this chicken. I usually re-cook it and zhuzh it up my own way, but that's like my little hack for the weekend. Okay, we're gonna mosey on over because there's some things at the back. Not a lot, actually, not a lot. I think I did everything just to show the tortillas that I picked up. My kids love snacking on these. I prefer to get these as opposed to like maybe Lay's or something like that. I don't know, in my mind I think it's a little bit healthier. Don't know if it's 100% true, but you know, I'm trying to tell myself that. In the end, I got 2 bags of milk. They totaling out to 4 liters, so 8 liters because I got two bags. In Canada, our milk comes in bags. This is what our milk looks like. Okay, so in Canada our milks are in bags. Okay, we do have milks in boxes, but typically they're in bags like that. Show you the cutest milk jug for my bag milk. Okay, this is her. I think it's the cutest little milk jug ever, and it just doesn't make the milk in the bag look as bad as it really does. So it slides off just like that, and you just cut right there, put your milk in, slide that part on, and the cutest, right? So let me just put that back right there, and that's it. And I need to clean the fridge. Like, I need to do a declutter because it looks like a lot, but I just need to spruce it up a little bit so that I'm able to just kind of put all of this stuff away. So that is pretty much it for my grocery haul. I think I said it before, but try to guess how much you think everything totals out to. But listen, groceries is a little bit much, okay? The cost of living is crazy. When I was in the checkout line, the cashier she jokingly said the one bad habit that we all have is eating, and I'm like, girl, it's a must, okay? It's not a bad habit unless you're eating in excess, but it's so sad that that's where things have come to. That's neither here nor there. Don't forget to comment, like, share. Tell me how much. Tell me what part of the world you're from, city, if you're in Canada, and how much is groceries on a typical month or week. Okay, bye.